Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Panasonic customer has put tooth but cannot wash. Let's see what is the problem. Let's turn it on. Start. Okay, it's moving. Yeah. After moving, it's blinking. See, this is the problem. Then after that, not moving, not refilling water, also just blinking all the keys. So let's see what is the problem. Okay, dears, for saving time, I have removed the back cover. And finally I have found there is a cable has broken. Yeah, it's a water sensor cable broken. So if you see water sensor cable broken, you just reconnect it. Actually for blinking this model, for water sensor and door sensor. Yeah, so after I connected, so let's see how is it. So see, alhamdulillah, now water is refilling, so no more blinking. Yeah, so it's refilling, alhamdulillah, so it is successful. So actually it was problem only the cable was broken and I have to resolder there. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.